Batteries have become essential in our daily lives. As industries evolve, the demand for batteries has grown. If you need a safe and efficient charging and discharging system for your batteries, try ODA's Cell Cycler. It's an 8-channel cycler capable of one-to-one charging and discharging, with a slot-based channel structure for easy management. Additionally, its ultra-compact size, 2 to 3 times smaller than competitors' products, provides greater expandability. Previously, a malfunction required disassembly for repairs. With ODA's Cell Cycler, issues are easily fixed by swapping the slot channels, and we can produce as many channels as needed. The regenerative function improves energy efficiency, reduces costs, and supports environmental protection by capturing energy during the charge and discharge process. With precise output and overcurrent protection, stable output and testing can be applied to most batteries. Once the 8-slot cell cycler is installed in a rack, it can be easily managed. You can monitor warning alerts through the software and easily replace any problematic slots. These advantages boost efficiency in both mass battery production and R&D. It's versatile enough for both production and research, enabling the efficient production and development of high-quality batteries. ODA's Cell Cycler is ideal for high-spec batteries used in electric vehicle and motorcycle batteries. It is also suitable for drones that require lightweight, high-capacity batteries, as well as laptops. ODA's Cell Cycler can be used across a wide range of products and industries. With ODA's Cell Cycler, you can achieve exceptional efficiency and performance. A small step toward a better world starts now. Leading the future with innovative products. ODA Technologies.